So maybe you have heard of hair mineral analysis testing and maybe you're feeling just a little bit intrigued, but overall you don't really know what the heck it is. So guys, I am Kendra from kendraperry.net, and in this video, I'm going to help clear that up. For functional health training and online business strategies for health coaches, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can be notified every single Thursday when I post a new video. So hair mineral analysis is the primary test that I use in my practice, and it has honestly been the biggest tool for transformation in my clients, but it's not really a mainstream functional test. And for that reason, a lot of health coaches are in the dark as to what it actually is and how it can actually help their clients and their business. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what hair mineral analysis testing is and why you should be using it in your practice and with your clients. So all of my students in hair mineral analysis would 100% agree that this test has been absolutely paramount in their own health journeys, but also the main thing that has helped with the transformation of their clients and growing their business. So number one, what is HTMA? So HTMA stands for Hair Tissue Mineral Analysis. And basically, it's a non-invasive biopsy of cellular activity in the body. So we are taking about 1.5 inches of hair, so about that much from the scalp, and we know that the hair is just dead cells. So basically we're seeing what's going on with minerals within the cell. And because it takes about 3 to 4 months to grow that strand of hair, we actually get that average of what's been going on in the mineral system inside the cell over that longer time frame. So number two, what type of information can you actually get from HTMA? So you can actually get a ton of crazy information about a person's unique biochemistry. So I can tell about thyroid health, adrenal health, blood sugar regulation, inflammation, the status of the nervous system, immune system activity. I can search for cellular dehydration. I can tell about stomach acid levels. I can tell about digestion. I can tell about the likelihood that somebody has an infection. I can tell about copper toxicity or heavy metal toxicity. I can look for signs of chemical sensitivity. I can even determine something like iron deficiency. So there is a ton of information you can get from a hair mineral analysis. And the main reason for this is because the minerals are the spark plugs of the body. They're basically involved in every single chemical reaction in the body. Anytime your body does anything, blinks, moves an arm, goes to sleep, whatever your body is doing, there is a mineral involved. And specific minerals are involved in specific functions or glands or activities in the body. So by looking at the various balances between those minerals, that's how we can tell how the thyroid gland might be functioning, or the status of the adrenal health, or how someone is actually regulating their blood sugar. The other amazing thing about hair mineral analysis is you can actually get a window into a person's personality, emotional health, and how they actually react to stress. It's super interesting when I go through these panels with clients because they kind of think I'm a witch because I'm basically telling them exactly how they feel, how they act, how they react to certain things, their emotions, and it's pretty amazing because it does correlate incredibly well. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you are thinking of utilizing HTMA in your practice, and let me know what's maybe holding you back from actually employing it. And finally, why should you actually be using hair mineral analysis with your health coaching clients? So number one, it's a very non-invasive biopsy. A lot of biopsies are painful. People need to go to the doctor. They need to get a surgery to get that biopsy. But with the hair, it's very simple and easy to collect. And you don't actually need that much hair. So some people feel a little bit nervous about giving hair, but it's actually a very, very small amount. I test my hair every 2 months, and the only person who can tell is my hairdresser, who's like, did I do that? And I'm like, no, I did that. Don't worry about it. The other reason why you should be using hair mineral analysis is because it's incredibly affordable. It's super cheap. It's literally the most affordable functional test that you can access. And I believe the biggest barrier to functional medicine is the cost, right? A lot of different practitioners or testing packages are thousands and thousands of dollars, but a hair mineral analysis is less than $100. So it's an incredibly affordable way for your clients to get their feet wet with functional testing, for you to get a little bit more of a scientific understanding of your client. And it's really great for your clients who maybe have economical limitations. It's also a fantastic way just to get people in the door because you can run that test, get all that information, employ targeted strategies, get that person results, and then suddenly they're on board. They're like, okay, I'm on board. This is working for me. I'm getting results. And now I'd like to upgrade to your bigger package, or I'd like to run those other lab tests that you recommended. So I alluded to this before, but minerals are the spark plugs of the body. They're involved in every single function of the body. So if you have mineral deficiencies, mineral excesses, metal toxicities, or an imbalance between your minerals, the body's not going to function. And if you don't have what you need, those basic building blocks for good health, then your clients are going to really struggle with getting results. And I find that a lot of people are so depleted or so bottomed out with minerals that they can't even handle going through a gut protocol or eliminating pathogens or taking a lot of supplements because their body literally doesn't have the tools it needs to function. So with minerals, when we balance the mineral system, we really do build the body up and we give the body those basic building blocks that it needs to function as it should. So it is a really great starting point with your clients. And when you get the minerals into balance, you can have a really positive influence on all different types of systems in the body. So in terms of thyroid, for example, I use hair mineral analysis to assess thyroid status, and I actually reverse a lot of hypothyroid or thyroid issues just by getting the thyroid specific minerals in balance. So it's a very non-invasive, gentle way to get a person healthy. So I really do believe it is something you should be utilizing in your practice because not only is it affordable, it gives you a ton of information and it will help your clients who are struggling to even do the most basic protocols because their system is just so burnt out, so depleted, and it can't even do regular function. Okay guys, so now that you know what hair mineral analysis testing is, and now that you're thinking, maybe this should be something that I include in my health coaching practice, make sure to grab my hair mineral analysis interpretation guide for practitioners by clicking the link below. Guys, and if you like this video, make sure to let me know by hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and commenting below and let me know how this video helped you or what your biggest take-home message is, and make sure to share it with all your fellow health nerds.